We've been here. Before black loyalists, so acclaimed, ran north to freedom, we exclaimed, we've been here. Before Jamaican Maroons northward sailed, there were one people, the dawn did hail. We've been here. Before Cornwallis's cannons crashed through our coast, devastating the city that we love the most, we've been here. Before Louisburg was burnt to toast, our kind defended her. So we boast. Champions in war and peace. Never starting violence, always causing it to cease. December 15th, 1725. We were here. The slave pirates of Canso met their end because they stole our kin and our friends and made them remember that we were here. Because before Champlain's sons married Micmac daughters and countless wars sent Lnug men to slaughter, we were here. Now, the age of amnesia is finally at its end. We declare it loud to our kin, our aggressors, our ancestors, and our friends. We're still